When you have your own trail system, Mother Nature can throw you a few curveballs every now and then. In this case, one of the biggest trees in the woods happened to fall across one of my trails. And today we are going to find a solution. In what looks to be a big pile of brush lies the solution. What actually happened is two trees fell and they uprooted 180 degrees from each other. So instead of cutting a passage through the tree, we are going to go right between the stumps. After a little clearing brush and trimming tree roots, the project really started to take shape. These are just a few pictures taken during the work in progress. As you can see, there is a minimal amount of excavation and cutting to be done. The tree was very massive and created a huge roadblock on my trails. Just a little quick something that I wanted to share. We saved a shitload of work and created a really cool trail feature by just analyzing the situation. Using the old Black & Decker 40-volt electric chainsaw, it would have took quite a while and quite a few batteries to cut the log up if I hadn't found this solution. Now let's take a ride through it and see how we did. If you found this video helpful, please click like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.